guys, Mike here. Well, in this video today we're going to be doing a conduit job, and basically there's two vending machines. The Coca-Cola vending machine started burning out on the bottom. I don't know what it was, a shorted wire or something, but we also found that the extension cord that it plugged into was all burnt up. Now the problem with these machines is someone ran an extension cord and draped it over the pipes and down to a receptacle. So, you know, that's not really proper. So my boss wanted me to do a conduit run. So in this video you will see me doing the conduit run. I don't have the wire yet because I called up the supply company we use and they only sell in 500-foot rolls. So I got to see about another company that will get it in, at least 25 or 50 feet. So while I'm waiting on the wire, I thought I would just post this video up. Maybe I'll do a second video of the wire run, or maybe I'll just edit it in with this video. I'll probably edit it in. So basically, today's September 1st, and these videos were done August 27th, 28th. So the next video you will see will probably be around September 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, whatever. So by the time you see this, it might be September 10th, 12th, I don't know. But now, another thing. I do not have a conduit bender, and I've never bent conduit before, so I had to work with what we have. So that was pull 90s and 3/4 EMT. So please, I don't need any electricians coming on this video. Why didn't you use the conduit bender? Because it ain't done. No, come on. Come on, Jack, move on to the next video. I don't need that. You know, we work with what we have here. It's nice enough for what it is. And you'll see. So, yeah, without further ado, get it started. Okay, so for today's job, I gotta run a line from here up and over down to the vending machines instead of having an extension cord dragged over. So I'm gonna drill for my box first. Okay, now my box is attached to the wall. Just checking for plumb. I had to plumb it up. Now when I put the plugs in, I put them in the grout line and I back them with epoxy so that in the future this won't come loose. Also, I had to center this, well, not with this, but to where I could get that right there. Just like that. That way when I run my conduit, I can drill right into these lines for the clips. Alright, I just cut my conduit. I did it with a hacksaw because I was able to do it in just less of a mess and noise than a grinder. So I measured it already, and I'm gonna dry fit this and see where we're at. So far this is where I'm at. I have my box, my line run up. That'll be straightened out if I need. I just mounted that. I came over here. Okay, come down, and then this is gonna be my last piece up there. Okay guys. That's it. I got my rope run through here. Come up and over to here. I'm gonna put another clip here, and then we come down to our outlet box. Well, here I am pulling the wire, and I didn't get more video because this is really frustrating. I only have this much more to do and they all just broke apart on me, so I gotta retape them. The twine fell out, but I can push these down through, so that's alright. But this has been extremely frustrating, so that's why I didn't video it more. But here, just so you know, I am doing it. Alright, get back to you. Okay, that's it. I got it pulled through the whole conduit now, so I'm gonna tie in those outlets first, and then we'll hook up to here. Mic out. So here's our outlets being wired up. I'm going to put them in. That's it. Job complete.